Let's see how to stop text from erasing when typing in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, text usually erases when you type whenever you have Overtype enabled on your Microsoft Word. And usually, what that happens is you accidentally click the insert button on your keyboard. And so I'll just quickly demonstrate what overtype mode looks like. And as you can see, I've enabled overtype mode and I will type this text here. And as you can see, this text that we typed completely typed over the previous text that was there. Now, let's go ahead and exit overtype mode. And as you can see, let's go ahead and try that again. And as you can see, we don't type over the text anymore. And usually, the fastest way to disable overtype mode is by simply clicking the insert key on your keyboard. However, let's say that you want to disable overtype mode completely. And to do that, first click on the File tab. And here, click on Options. Now click on Advanced. And under this group editing options, make sure that you uncheck this box right here. Use the insert key to control overtype mode, as well as make sure that this box use overtype mode is also not checked. Now click on OK, and right there, overtype mode will be completely disabled. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.